this video, we will show you 3 ways how to open Task Manager on Windows. First, if you are using Windows 10, you can just type Task Manager and then you can click and the Task Manager will open. This is the method 1. The number 2, you can press Windows plus R button and then it will appear Run and type Task mgr and click OK or Enter. The Task Manager will also open. In the last step or in the last ways, you can press Ctrl, Shift and Escape on your keyboard in the same time. Ctrl, Shift, Escape in the same time will appear Task Manager like this. That's all. 3 ways how to open Task Manager on Windows. First, you can use taskbar and then you can press Windows plus R button and type Task mgr and hit Enter. And the last, you can press the Ctrl and Shift and Escape button in the same time. Hope this video helpful.